Let's try and cut this. See how sticky? Look. Oh, nice. Properly cooked. Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another very delicious kakanin here in the Philippines, the SUMAN SA LIHIYA. SUMAN SA LIHIYA is made of glutinous rice mixed with a bit of lye and salt. This kakanin is one of my favorites. That's why I'm going to teach you how to make this SUMAN SA LIHIYA the easy way. They usually cook this suman for long hours, like sometimes 12 hours, to achieve that goodness characteristic of the SUMAN SA LIHIYA of Batangas. Now, I modified this recipe so that we can enjoy this suman at the comfort of our own homes. This suman is usually topped with latik or my special sauce, salted coconut caramel sauce. The ingredients are 4 cups of glutinous rice or malakit rice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 tablespoon of lihiya, around 30 pieces of dahon ng sili, chili leaves, and for the salted caramel, 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And of course, we're going to use this uniform size of banana leaves, around 8 by 10 inches in size. Okay, we're going to start mixing. First, we're going to crush and mash these leaves so that we can take the juice and use it to color our suman. Actually, this ingredient is optional. You can remove this and it is okay. There. See? The extracted juice from the... Let's start mixing. I'm going to add 1 1/2 tablespoon of lihiya and the salt. Of course, you have to wash the rice. You don't need to soak it for long hours. I just wash this rice 7 times. Then the color. Actually, this also adds flavor. Look at the mixture, very nice, light green. You have to mix it thoroughly so that the lihiya is mixed well with the glutinous rice. Let's wrap this mixture in banana leaves. I'm going to use 1/3 cup. Wrap it like that. And then another one. Wrap it again. So this suman is totally sealed. Using the top side, there. Use this inner part for the second wrap. Then we're going to tie these two together using this banana leaf. Okay, we're going to put this suman in a pressure cooker so that we can cook this for less than an hour only instead of 8 to 12 hours. This is the technique to use the pressure cooker, so this suman will be cooked in an hour. We're going to put water. Enough water to cover the suman. There. And then we're going to cover and cook for 40 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes. Okay. Pressure cook for 45 minutes and the suman is done. For the caramel sauce, add 2 cups of coconut milk, then 1 cup of brown sugar and salt. Cook this until thick. This is done. See how beautiful? Very soft. See? Soft. This is so yummy. So nice. Wow, beautiful. Look, so nice. There you have it, my suman sa lihiya with salted coconut caramel sauce. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!